after the paper completely dry, we're going to start working inside the white area. Okay, I'm going to use a round brush. This is number 12. So what I'm going to start working on now, I'm going to use a little kind of blue color here. I'm going to see how it looks, and I'm going to put it into the color, into the shadow in this area here, and then putting it under the wing over here, under the neck. This will catch the shadow. Okay. We use the water to extend the colors. Okay, come down here for now. I'm gonna also use the water to extend to smooth these areas. And I'm also going to have kind of bluish colors under here too. I have to keep the shadow. And I'm gonna drop in a little bit darker shadow color over there. But I don't want that to be getting into too much of the neck. I'm gonna just take the color away. I'm gonna use some light blue colors into these areas. Painted the feather like this, looking at the reference like this, and showing that is the feather. Okay. Also going to drop in a few in this area like that. Just look good. And a little bit very light blue colors also. I can see it over here. Some color coming from the inside here, and those feathers and on the other wings. And I'm gonna wait until you dry before I come in here, give you a little bit more definitions like that. And a little bit warmer colors, I'm gonna introduce it into here. Okay, that's good. And then some blue colors, some little blue colors on the neck over here. Okay, there's a little blue colors right here. Okay, be a little careful. That color could get into this red area. Okay, so I'm gonna get some dark colors, maybe kind of like a dark blue colors. To do that with the red and the prism blue, and can mix kind of dark purple colors. Here we go. And we're going to start painting into the leg. Okay. But I don't want it to be all dark at this point. So make the color a little bit lighter. Extend that. And with a very small, draw the claw. Like that, extend the color. I'm gonna take away some of the wet paint, like it's too much colors in there. So get a little less colors. Okay. Okay, that's good. We're gonna add a little bit more definitions over there after it dry. So I'm gonna come in to add some orange color to the bill. So add some yellow. This is our This is yellow orange colors, and with a little red. And with a little red, that's the color I would want. Okay, I'm gonna start paint it from here. Starting on this side. You don't want to paint it all the way, be a little careful. The edge turn into a little green. So I'm gonna just stop it here. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna wash it, the color. I'm gonna start making some, just the yellow color. Take a little yellow color, but not, I don't want it too thick. It's a little lighter. Get a little water into it. Okay, now taking a little less, and then I'm going to add a little blue colors into it, so make it look like a little greenish colors. So get here. Okay, here. Okay, connect to that. So that is the head area, but this up here I want to do a little bit lighter, so I'm gonna just take out some, lift up some colors, make it a little lighter. Maybe that's too light. In that case, I'm gonna add the orange color back to this area, make it a little bit darker. Okay, that's good. Like this, and under here a little bit darker. But be careful, I don't want the color to get into outside to make the build look a little bit too big. Okay, just take it off. At this point, I think we can add a little bit darker color in here. Just right a little dark color right in here. And okay, that a little bit darker. We want the color a little bit more clean blue colors, and press a little bit the purple colors in here. Now we're gonna come in here, add a little color here, and I think that's color coming from here. Come up, good, let it there, and start blend it underneath. This is like a look like a catch the shadow from the neck and the body. Okay, and then at this point we're also going to extend the colors and then start paint it into the feather. Okay, look at the reference. Okay, keep it going from here, start it. Like that. And a little bit. And a little blue color, light blue color over there too. Maybe a little suggestions on here too. And now the bird's almost there. Maybe here a little lighter. Okay. The bird looks good. After that dry, I'm gonna add a little light blue color underneath the neck. It will be good. Now I'm gonna use a small brush to paint into the eye. Okay. So I'm gonna pick up the dark purple colors, more like a blue purplish colors. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna paint it the center, the eye, have a little red, kind of dark circle in the middle, and then put there is a thin line circle going around. Oh, that's good. I'm going to carry this color, use this small brush, and start painting some darker colors here. Okay, this is the shadow side of the claw. Okay, over here, and this side also darker too. Okay, so we can see what is the front, what's in the back. Maybe also a little darker color here, and on for the legs behind. Okay. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, that's pretty good. That already dry. So I'm gonna use the bigger round brush to just add a little bit colors under here, under the neck. That's good. And then I'm gonna smooth it using the water to make it smoother. And that too. And I think that is over painted into here. So I'm gonna use the water, just take the color out. I'm gonna sign my name, and that is just finish the painting. When the painting is finished, we're going to carefully take the tape off. And the watercolor painting also still stay flat. Okay. Just take the tape off. Careful. When I take the tape off, I pull it outward, not pull it inside, so it's not gonna hurt the painting. So this is how this painting done.